Happening today, jury selection expected to begin in the case of a Connecticut state trooper accused of shooting and killing a 19-year-old man in 2020.
Yeah, this case is the first time in 17 years that a Connecticut police officer was arrested following a deadly shooting while on duty. Fox 61's been following the case since the beginning. Let's get you out now to Angelo Bavaro. He's live outside the courthouse in Milford. Good morning.
Tim, Erica, good morning. And North has pleaded not guilty to a charge of first-degree manslaughter. His legal team expected to argue inside of this courthouse that North was protecting his fellow officers. But the legal team for that family of the 19-year-old Mubarak Solomon argues that this was an execution. Now take a look. This is police dash cam and body camera video from that night back in January of 2020. According to police, Solomon had stolen a car and led officers on a high-speed chase on I-95. Solomon crashed that car in West Haven, and that's where North fired 7 shots into the driver's window at close range. North told investigators he fired because Solomon had a knife and was, quote, moving and holding that knife in an aggressive manner. Now, North also said it appeared to him that Solomon was preparing to attack officers on the other side of the car. However, Inspector General Robert Devlin, whose office investigates all uses of deadly force by police, concluded that this shooting was not justified. In that 133-page report, Devlin writing that neither North nor any other person was in imminent danger as Solomon was in the car by himself. The IG writing, quote, "A reasonable police officer would have realized that the police were in control of the situation and the opportunity existed to take a tactical pause to explore the use of methods other than deadly force." Now, in the years since this happened, we've heard from the Solomon family and their lawyers, as well as the police union, speaking in defense of North.
That's always the most difficult thing for any police officer out there, to make those split-second decisions. And you know, when we feel that the decision was justified and done according to our training, we're in support of our members that get involved in these situations.
Brian North has to be held accountable for killing my son.
Now, after being charged back in 2022, North was placed on paid administrative leave and his police powers were suspended. We are expecting to hear from the Solomon family before this jury selection process begins this morning. Of course, we'll get you any updates as we get them. We are live in Milford. I'm Angelo Bavaro, Fox 61, Connecticut's news station.